Hey everyone! I'm going to show us some Schoology tips and tricks, how to make your life easier, and also review some things that we haven't talked about for quite a while that might help some of our newer students or people who are new to Schoology. Click on your course. In this case, it's art. The first thing you'll notice is the what day is it. This is really helpful if you're not sure which hour to go to that day, or if you have a day 1 or a day 2 class. It says it right here. Under that, I have a link to our new distance learning calendar and the times to go to your Zoom classes. This can also be helpful for you to know where to go at what time. Then there's a link to our Zoom class and all the folders. Under all the folders, it says Student and Family Help and Resources. If you need any help with your computer, it has a helpline, password help if you need to reset your password, and Schoology email support as well. Nice. If you click on one of our folders, you'll always see our weekly overview page first. I'm going to make this a little bit bigger so we can talk about it. It tells you the day that we have classes, and if we have Zoom, there will be our Zoom link, and it has any due dates on the right-hand side. It also has our Fun Art Extras link, which will bring you to 11 fun things you can do if you have extra time. It also has 2 important things down here, my email address and my phone number that you can call or text anytime. It's a Google Voice number. Great. So now I want to show you something really awesome. If you're making up late work, or maybe you forgot what you turned in and what you didn't turn in, you can go down here to grades. So it's gray. It looks like you can't click it, but if you bring your mouse over it, you can. This will show you all the graded assignments and activities that we've done so far. Now for me, I have little dashes over here. If you see a dash, that means that artwork has not been turned in yet, and you still need to turn it in. The really cool part was, let's say I have my face mask drawing all ready to go. I can click on that assignment and it'll bring me in a new tab right to the assignment. And then I could click my document and edit. Wait for it to load, of course. And I could insert my photo. I like to click on this little square with the mountains to insert the photo. There's my camera. Wait for it to load. Hello. And insert my photo there. Hit the yellow camera button. Insert. Alright. Then you drag the corner to make your picture bigger, so I can see it when I grade it. You do not have to click the share button, which is nice. It automatically has it saved in Schoology. All you have to do then is click on Submit Assignment. Yes, submit. I'm not going to do that just yet, but once you click the Submit Assignment, you'll see the little rocket ship, and that's how you know it's being sent to me. If I close out of there, come back to this Grades tab for just another moment. At the top there are the formative assignments. Those are like practice and the drawing of the week. We had 1 quiz and a sculpture hunt. At the bottom, these are the longer projects that we've done. They're called the summative projects. They're worth more points. So if you have any of these with dashes, I suggest that you turn those in first. These are worth more points and they will bring your grade way up after you get those turned in. I really hope this helps. Let me know if you have any questions. Bye.